Evoy Storm Outboard provides continuous power of 300 horsepower and a peak power of up to 600. This allows the boat to reach top speeds of around 50 knots and cruising speed of 25. The batteries are located in the center part and aft of the boat. We have 126 kilowatt hours of battery capacity, and the Evoy system is very much plug and play in the sense that a boat builder can do the install themselves without specific training. You don't need high voltage certifications for the people actually installing the system. It is also fully integrated within the boat. So the Evoy system starts from the screen and throttle and goes all the way to the outboard and propeller in this case. You can see on the screens we have a dedicated Evoy dashboard that shows you all of the key information when you are operating the boat. We also have a charging screen where you can set a threshold up to which you want to charge the battery, as well as the current that you want to draw from the pontoon or the charger where you are. The Evoy system is also capable of supercharging, and so we can charge pretty much in 45 minutes. We also have a dedicated Evoy app that includes all of your trip details, information on the energy consumption that you had during different trips, and you can also monitor the location of the boat and all the key statistics that you have.